Want to design a cinematic wedding invitation video? Do it with Adobe Firefly. First, open firefly.adobe.com and go to Adobe Express. Inside Adobe Express, open the Templates section and type Wedding Invitation in the search bar. Choose a template you like and click Customize Template. Now edit the invitation details: names, location, date, time, colours, fonts, and decorative elements. Once your design is ready, save the invitation. Then go back to Firefly and open the Image section. Upload your invitation design, then choose the AI model you want to use. Select the image size and quality. Now write a prompt describing the final look you want to create. For example, you can transform your invitation into embroidered organza fabric, luxury paper, lace, silk, glass, or any creative editorial concept. Now go to the Expand section. Choose the 16:9 format and click Expand. Save the expanded image. To prepare the first frame for the animation, open the Remove section. Select the invitation, remove it from the background, and generate the result. Save this frame for your animation. Now let's animate it. Go to Generate Video and upload your first frame. For the last frame, upload the generated invitation image. Choose your AI model, resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration. Then write a motion prompt describing how the invitation should move. For example, in this video, the organza fabric softly falls onto the red background and gently unfolds like a luxury fashion campaign shot. When everything is ready, click Generate. And that's how you can turn a simple wedding invitation into a fully cinematic animated video using Adobe Firefly.